everyone's my new video. You have new video, you should sit up in Premiere. You know why? You know how to hand Newsbit, you know how to set up the Premiere? If you know how to set up the Premiere, then it's good. Love everyone. Ayan si Kapiso mo vlog. Kapiso, sige. Tusukin natin yan. Newsbit, you should set up in Premiere if you have new uploaded videos. All about food. Watching here. Watching here. Newsbeat. Palablab everyone. Kapiso vlog coming ako dyan. Wait lang ha. Indayhan. Play kita mamaya, Indayhan. 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 Gorilla, my friend, thank you. Kapiso Newsbeat, Miguel shoutout po. Dan connect po. Newsbeat, you should connect other friends, okay? Please connect to Kapiso mo vlog and she will connect you back. Thank you guys. All about, you have the ads. Your channel already monetized was 16K. Congratulations. All about food and travel I'm watching here in your channel now. Di asa taon areas og video na dili mo wala ang watch hour. Doon ka sa may wait ha. Doon ka sa library or yung may you sa pinaka-home ng YouTube sa baba. Ito oh. Yun sa dulo. Yung may you, i-click mo yan. Yung you, i-click mo to. Tapos makita mo yung your video. I-click mo yung your video. Then hanapin mo na yung video dito. Asaan mo pwedeng i-delete. Or dyan ka mag-delete, dyan ka din mag-edit. Doon sa may you. Okay, Indayhan, nakuha mo? Actually, gusto kong may mga simple tutorial. Gagawan kita ng simple tutorial para madaling masundan. Doon ka mag-edit ha. Doon ka din mag-delete. Wala pa itong ads. Ano ba ito? May ads na yung bahay mo. Pero wala pa yun kasi hindi ka pa monetize. So, may ads na siya. Dito ako sa Screencast. Okay ate, salamat. Ayan o. Sa bahay ni Indayhan. Meron ka ng 204 views. Screencast. Day, ang gagawin mo, mag-silent live ka every night ng mga 5 hours. Ang limit ng silent live, pwede ka ng 8 to 9 hours sa silent live. So, lagyan mo lang siya ng please support for watch hour. Kani mo ha? 6 hours mo dahil ni play natin ilang minuto ha. Salamat kayo ti. Sige lang, pasok ka lang sa ko. Maricoy, Miguel Shop. Pasok ka lang dito para mag-guide kita ng mga simple tips ni Lolo. Shout out Maricoy, simply my loves, maayong gabi kanimong gwapa kong amiga. Sister, visit my house. Thumbs up harang, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat Maricoy. Yes, Newsbeat, I'm coming. Get ready. Share. I'm watching here from Inday. Ang problema kasi minsan yung signal ng loko. Pareha ta. Pareha ni sa ako.